Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you guys can change your password on Odoo. So let's get right into it. So no matter where you are on Odoo, if you're using the web version like I am, what you need to do is access your profile settings. If you're in your database, your profile settings are in the top right here on your profile button, and all you have to do is go to my profile. This can also take you to the website options or config, as you can see here, but it just took me to my profile options, and from here what you're going to want to click is account security. Here, as you'll see, the first option is to change your password, so let's click on that. Now, I will not be changing my password myself, however, I'll be talking you through the rest of the process. Now, if you know your password, just enter your old password or your current password, and then you'll be able to enter a new one. However, if you have forgotten it, in that case, as you can see, the Odoo team have done a wonderful job and added the forgot password prompt here, or the button here, simply so that you don't have to log out and go to the login page to actually access this functionality. Once you do that, you will have an email sent to you with a link, which is going to be what you're going to want to click in case you want to change your password. It's going to take you over to your account. It's going to authenticate you that it is in fact you, and then you'll be able to change your password to whatever you want. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.